Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an update for my Graveyard Project Pan. This is a project that I created that runs from April 30th to October 31st or Halloween, hence the spooky theme. And if you want to see how I'm doing on the 6 products I've chosen to work on, then just keep on watching. How is it possibly 2 months since this project has started? I am filming this a bit early, to be fair to me, but when I saw the amount of usage or lack thereof on some of these products, I am honestly embarrassed, but I need to be pre-filming because my family and I are going on vacation. We recently purchased a camper trailer, which we're very excited about, and this is our first trip hauling that, so hopefully it goes well. By the time you're seeing this video, we are already there, and hopefully we made it there in one piece. But like I said, I'm filming this a bit early, but you know, the week or whatever wouldn't have saved me. Let's just put it that way. So this project is 6 months long. There are 4 videos required, an intro, 2 updates, and a finale. We update every second month because the original idea around this project was Project Graveyard, which are products that were in projects previously and you've stopped working on. You've laid them to rest, but they're still in your collection. So they're in your project graveyard. And these are typically products that are more challenging to use up, hence why you didn't finish them when you thought that you would. Now this project has morphed and changed a bit over the years. It's been going for like 6+ years, I think, at this point. I'm not really sure. But we have our resurrection products, which are products that have been in projects before, and are collecting cobwebs products, which are products that are neglected or nearing expiration. Which a product that's nearing expiration doesn't even necessarily need to be that old. Maybe it's a clean beauty brand, maybe it has SPF in it, or maybe it is something that's old and you've just not been reaching for, and you can put it in this project to get more use out of it. As mentioned in my introduction, I am working on 6 products, 3 in each category. Let's hop into my resurrection category first. You already know the product that is in this project every single year is my ModelCo Peach Bellini blush. This blush does have a pan and I work on it bit by bit every single year. I do have a goal to use this blush 20 times, and I'm sad to say I've only used it 3 times since the beginning of this project, for a total of 146 tracked uses, which is a lot. I can see the rings. I would love to see that pan expanded in the next 17 uses, and hopefully I'm able to do that through the summer. We have July and August, and this is the perfect blush shade for those months for me. Next, I have a Colourpop Super Shock Shadow in the shade Koosh. And this does already have a pan in it. It was in a project before, and this is one of my very oldest products in my collection now, and I would like to use this 10 times in this project, and so far I have used it 4 out of 10 times. Ideally, I wanted to have used this the 10 times and roll through a couple different Super Shock shadows, but I unfortunately did not do that. I think this year I have things in mind to like keep this project moving. I thought I would have some things rolling out each update. Spoiler alert, I don't. But if I meet my 10 uses before the next update, I might just pull in the next thing, just to continue making progress. All that's to say is I have 6 more uses to go on this. A product I do have really amazing progress on is my Lord & Berry Nude Lip Liner. I will insert a picture of my markings. I use this almost every time I do my makeup, as long as a nude lip liner will work. If I have a bright red lip on, I will put on a bright red lip liner, but for the most part, this is the lip liner I'm using, and it is so tiny now. I don't know how far down the actual product goes, if it goes all the way to the end. We are at the point where it's almost going to start getting lost in the cap and be really hard to sharpen as well. I am well on my way to actually finishing this. Next up, we're going into collecting cobwebs. These are products that I have been neglecting or are just getting very old and nearing their expiration. First up, a product that I have been using quite a bit but I have yet to meet my goal. This is the Ofra Rodeo Drive Highlighter. As you can see, this is like their very old circular packaging. My goal is to hit pan on this highlighter. Now I am focusing in the center where it is quite thin. I have used this 14 times since rolling it into this project and I do not have pan on this yet. I am very light-handed when it comes to my makeup, but I have 30 total tracked uses on this highlighter, so hopefully by next update there will be a pan. Next up, a very old lip gloss. This comes from BareMinerals and is from their Marvelous Moxie line in the shade Trail Blazer. I have a goal to finish this in this project and I've only reached for 5 days. So there are some reapplications in there, but I don't track each individual use. So 5 days of use on a lip gloss is pretty good. And this is a full size. I don't know how many milliliters of product is in here, but I do see some windowing. There's also some bubbles happening way down here. The product is not down there, so I don't really know what's going on, but I do have faith that I can finish this before the end of the year at the very least. And lastly, I have the Colourpop Lippie Stick in the shade Brink. This was very neglected. I pulled this out of my makeup drawer of shame because it's a beautiful pink color that I thought would be good through the spring. I have a goal to use this 10 times. My intention was to have like a spring color, a summer color, and a fall color to bring us through this project and each update swap it out. Alas, here we are. I've only used this 2 out of 10 times. But if I meet my goal of 10 uses before the next update, I will just bring in the lipstick I had kind of in my mind to use in the summer months for this project, just to keep things moving. I don't know if that will happen, but I hope that it does, because while this is a very pretty pink shade, I should have used it the 10 times in the spring months, because now I want to be reaching for that lipstick I meant to roll in this update, but things got lost in the shuffle. Actually, I did lose this and I had to go on this massive lipstick hunt before filming today's video, but I did find it and I've only used it 2 out of 10 times. Alright, my voice is very mad at me now. I'm feeling a bit under the weather and pre-filming is straining my vocal cords, I guess. Unfortunately, no rollouts in today's update, but hopefully for next update I will have some movement to share with you. There were some pretty disappointing progress updates, but also some exciting ones. I've been using that Ofra highlighter quite a bit, and that lip liner has some mega movement, which is so motivating to me. Let me know how you are doing on your graveyard project pan, and it's not too late to join if you really wanted to. We have until October 31st or Halloween to meet our goals. If you enjoyed today's update, give it a thumbs up so that I know, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!